Ever pondered the art of preparing succulent pork jowls? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to a culinary journey that unravels the secrets of this underappreciated cut of meat. Pork jowls, often overlooked, are a hidden gem in the culinary world. When cooked properly, they offer a rich melt-in-your-mouth experience. So, brace yourselves as we dive into the process of making this gastronomic delight. Begin by sourcing the right pork jowls. Look for a fresh pinkish hue and a good amount of marbling. The quality of the meat will significantly influence the end result. Next, it's time to marinate. A simple but effective marinade involves a blend of olive oil, crushed garlic, fresh rosemary, salt, and pepper. Ensure the pork jowls are thoroughly coated and let them soak up the flavors for at least 4 hours or overnight if possible. Now, on to the cooking. Start by preheating the oven to a moderate 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's happening, heat a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then place the jowls in, skin side down. Here's a tip: patience is key. Allow the jowls to render slowly, releasing their fat and crisping the skin. This should take around 15 minutes. Turn them over and sear the other side for another 5 minutes. Once the jowls have a golden brown crust, transfer them to a roasting tray and pop in the preheated oven. Roast for about an hour, or until the meat is tender and the skin is crisp. While the jowls are roasting, why not whip up a simple sauce? Deglaze the pan with a splash of white wine, scraping up the brown bits. Add a knob of butter, a squeeze of lemon, and a handful of chopped parsley. Stir until combined and set aside. Once the jowls are done, rest them for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result. Slice the jowls, drizzle with the sauce, and serve with your choice of sides. So, there you have it, the mystery of cooking pork jowls, unraveled. To recap, start with quality jowls, marinate them well, sear to seal in the flavors, roast until tender, and don't forget to rest before serving. Remember, cooking is an art. It's about exploring, experimenting, and above all enjoying. So go forth and conquer the kitchen with your newfound pork jowl prowess.